In this lecture, you will learn how to customize a line. To learn how to customize a line, first you need to know how to insert a line. So go to Insert tab, go to Shapes and choose a simple line. You can see there are many types of lines under this line shapes, but for now, let's start with a simple line. I have drawn a long line, but it's pretty thin, right? So to customize this line, let's go to Drawing Tools Format tab. And then you can increase the width or the color of the line using these theme styles and the presets. You can also change the simple line into a double-headed arrow or a single arrow line using these presets. But I wish to customize it in a much more finer way, so I'm going to right click and go to Format Shape. Here I can change the width or the thickness of this line. I can also change it to dotted line, but this appears a square, right? To change this square type into round, you need to change this cap type from flat to round. Now, let me show you how you can customize a double-headed arrow line. So for that, go to Insert, Shapes, and insert a double-headed arrow line. Similarly, let me increase the width so that you can see it much more legibly. Let me change the dash type to round dot and the cap type to round. Now, instead of these triangles or the arrows at the ends, I wish to change it to round. For that, you can change the end arrow type to oval arrow. Similarly, the begin arrow type to oval arrow. So now you have learned how to customize a simple line and a double-headed arrow line. So let me add a simple line to add a further look to this title. Let me change the dash type to simple plain line and decrease the width to 2.5 points. Let me place it here. Now this line adds a nice touch to our slide title. In the next lecture, you will learn how to add a title, subtitle, and a simple logo to your PowerPoint slide.